Hey, Greg.
How you
Nice
doing?
to see you. Good. Thanks for being here today. Fuji Machine America, our niche is automation and integrated robots with our machine, right? Every Fuji machine comes with an integrated robot and all types of additional automation for our customers and for the market. So here we want to introduce to you our A&W 303 machine. This has what we call our rail style robot. This robot is extremely flexible. It traverses in its own zone in front of the machining envelope, and it allows us to not only transfer the parts, but it also allows us to wash the material, clean the material. We've got a left side machine and a right side machine, so we can do continuous operation of the same part, or we can do multiple operations for different parts. And once again, we can do everything from load the raw material, measure the raw material, compensate for any adjustments that need to be made, and deliver finished, cleaned, washed parts.
Is there any particular industry or application that you're finding these type of solutions a really good fit for? Automotive, energy, across the board?
Yeah, you know, automotive is our core competency. We've got thousands and thousands of customers that are using our equipment in automotive, but it's not just for automotive. You know, you may know, Greg, that there's a skilled labor shortage right now in our market. And the automation and robots are definitely helping our customers and end users to deal with that challenge, right? So we've got machines in aerospace, we've got machines in defense, we've got machines in job shops. What we're finding is they're able to consolidate and take one operator who may have been responsible for one machine and free that operator up to do other tasks while the automation is doing his normal work. Obviously, our machines are made for high production, low mix, but they're also made for medium volume production, high mix, or even low volume production, high mix. We can put families of parts on these machines, right? We've got the technology where we can put a family of parts with step jaws on the main chuck, step jaws on the robot, QR code readers on our work stockers, and we can identify what type of part number or what size of part, whatever makes sense for our customers. We can automatically adjust and change over the program and the pick and drop off points with no human intervention. So this is our CSD 302. Here we're exhibiting it with dual gantry robots. So again, super lightning fast. We've got two front facing spindles, two 10-position turrets. And here we're simulating op 10, which is two parts being made simultaneously. But we can adjust the workflow in many different capacities for this machine. We can do multiple operations, op 10, op 20, op 30, op 40. We can also link any of our machines together to have extra operations. And then when we talk about simplicity, yes, it looks complicated, right? But the reality is we made it super simple for our users and our customers with our new control. So all the new equipment is coming with a FANUC 0 ITF Plus control. That is now controlling not only the CNC axis, but also controlling our robot. So Fuji robot, but with FANUC drives and motors via the FANUC 0 ITF Plus control. And we've made it super easy now to program the robot to change, pick up and drop off points, as well as to change over the workflow.
All through that FANUC control.
Correct. These are just two exhibits that we have here at East-Tech. Of course, we've got a lot of other machines in our portfolio, right? You can walk back here a little bit. You can see some of these machines here on our board. Some of our other automated machines with Fuji robots, whether it's our Gyroflex machine, mill turn machine, the A&W, what we already discussed, the CSD 302, also our TN series, which is all new and revamped, as well as our single spindle machine, right? Any of these machines that you see here are dual spindle, dual machining cavity envelopes, but we also offer them in a single envelope with automation as well.
For folks that might be interested, they want to learn more, what's the best way to reach out? Should they try to find their local dealer, reach out to Fuji direct?
Quickest way is go to our website, www.fujimachine.com. On our website, you can go to contact, you can find our dealer, you can contact us directly. You can also enter into our virtual showroom, and you can watch any of the machine videos or download any brochures from there directly.